Are you frustrated with the add friend not showing issue on your account? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to fix it. But remember, watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's dive in. First things first, open your Facebook app. Once you're in, locate and click on the 3 lines in the upper right corner. This will take you to the next crucial step. Click on Help and Support. Within Help and Support, click on Report a Problem. Now, here comes a critical step. Click on Continue to report a problem, and you'll be directed to a new page. Click Include. Scroll down and look for the Friend Requests option. Compose a message to Facebook. Write exactly, "I am missing the Add Friend option on my account. Please fix this for me." Once done, hit Send in the top right corner. Now, here's the part where patience is key. Wait for 1 to 3 business days. During this time, Facebook will address your issue. After the waiting period, log back into your Facebook account. Check to see if the Add Friend option is now visible. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more useful content, and have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.